Whirlpool duet stuck in sensing mode light flashes.
What's the brand and model of your appliance? How old is it?
Whirlpool duet.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool appliance? What have you tried so far?
Just started.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. This is Mark, I'm an appliance repair technician with 20 years of experience, and I'll be assisting you today. You will see phone call pop-ups. Know that I do not send those, the site does that, and if you do not want a $24 call, you can ignore those. Sorry to hear your washer is stuck in sensing, that is frustrating indeed. With this issue, does the basket turn one way slowly then the next to sense load size when it is sensing load? If not, you might have a faulty motor or motor speed sensor.
Whirlpool duet dryer stuck in sensing mode light just beeps won't run.
What is the full model number from the model number tag on washer opening edge?
Just started this. I'll close.
You can try this to reboot the controls, unplug the washer from the outlet for 5 minutes then plug back in and then try to restart a cycle.
Q925 Op1. It's a dryer.
Then you want to pay attention to how the washer behaves at start of cycle. Door or lid should lock, then you should see the basket moving slowly one way then the other to sense load size. If you are not seeing that, there is an issue with the motor or motor sensor.
It's a dryer, not a washer.
Okay. And so the dryer will not start. Unplug it from outlet for 5 minutes, then plug back in. If it does not start, there are several parts that can cause this.
I said the sensor light flashes.
I read that, thank you. Is the dryer starting at all when you press start, or do you just see the sensing light flashing?
Just a light flashes.
Okay. Unplug the dryer from the outlet for 5 minutes to reboot the controls. Try the dryer on a timed dry setting and see if the dryer will start. That is what I would do to see if this is an issue with the moisture sensor on the dryer.
Okay, 5 miles first.
Okay.
Still waiting with a clogged vent caused this.
It can be a cause of the failure you are having, yes. But it's not easy to know without checking and testing.
Turn power on, set it for since time dry, hit start wouldn't run, sensing light came on.
Okay. So at this point, you need to test some parts. This issue you have, where sensing light flashes, can sometimes happen if the belt breaks or other part is not allowing the dryer motor to start up. This can also be caused by a faulty control board. Which is why testing is now the next step.
Okay. Now what?
The sensing light flashing when the motor will not start, can sometimes be caused by door switch failure, thermal fuse, broken belt or faulty belt switch, or faulty motor. Also the moisture sensors can also fail and cause this. That is why testing parts is next. Here is a couple of things you can do without a test meter. Open door, light should come on in drum. If so, press in on the door switch, light should turn off. If that passes, door switch is good. If that passes, manually move drum with your hand. You should feel a good amount of resistance when turning it, that means the belt is still on if there is a good amount of resistance. If it turns really easily, the belt likely broke and will need to be replaced. If both of those pass, then you need to check the wires attached to the moisture sensor bars. Then test thermal fuse and motor. If everything checks good, and thermistor tests good, you are looking at a faulty control relay board. If you have more questions for me, I'm happy to help out. Otherwise, have a great day, be safe, and thank you for using JustAnswer.
He went to get his tools to check it with you. He is 75. It may take him a few. Are you there?
In here. He will need experience in testing parts with an ohm meter and the ability to access those parts. Have you checked the door switch and belt as suggested? I will include a video on how to test the thermal fuse with an ohm meter. https://www.youtube.com/watch v = high qui qsid 0. Here is how to test dryer motor. https://www.partselect.com/dryer+test motor+repair.htm. Here is a link to the thermal fuse. A video below part photo shows how to access the fuse to test it. https://www.appliancepartspros.com/whirlpool thermal fuse 91WP33925119 app 600E325.html. Here is a link to motor, with a video below photo showing how to access it. Test it according to test method at link to test motor. https://www.appliancepartspros.com/whirlpool drive motor 279787 app 3094233.html. If you have more questions for me, I'm happy to help out. Otherwise, have a great day, be safe, and thank you for using JustAnswer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.